I have had the absolute best time with Aspirantum. I've been learning Russian through the beginners program, and I have just become so much more confident in my speaking than I had ever been before. I had learned so much more than I had at uni within this 4 weeks than I have in the whole year and a bit that I've been studying. It's just absolutely amazing. Aliona, our teacher, is so patient, kind and caring, and I just never feel judged if I'm making a mistake by other peers in my class or by her. Incredibly patient, and the people here, my classmates, are beautiful, wonderful, and I have made friends for life here. The excursions, oh my goodness, they are so much fun. Harchik has gone above and beyond with all of them. I have some battle scars from our most recent excursion, but I wouldn't trade it for the world. We get to see so much of Armenia, understand the culture behind the country, all whilst having fun.